Alright, so today we're going to change the 1997 Honda Accord ignition switch. First off, to do that, you're going to need a Phillips. You're going to need the 8mm for the bolts and nuts in here. And whatever socket that your negative battery terminal is going to use to pull that off. So I'm going to go pull that negative battery terminal off. So this is what the ignition switch looks like. This isn't the OEM. So the negative terminal battery's out. Now we're going to get into unscrewing these 3 bolts on the bottom. That's what that screw is going to look like. Set that right there. Yeah, and this is what that other one's gonna look like. Those are what connects the two together. And then set that down there, set this up here. So this is the tough part. I got a flat head. I'm going to try to hammer these shear bolts out. Can't see it right now, but the more you tap and spin them, the more it's going to loosen up. So eventually, you're going to be able to hand turn them. So we got it off, and you're doing 3 Phillips. Get this bad boy off. And here's the old one. Here's the new one we're putting in. Gonna go ahead and put that into place like we just did. Put those screws back in. Shit. Dropped it in the crack of hell. Enough to be snug. And we got it. Now we're putting it back in place. The wiring harnesses should go in pretty easy. Just make sure they're nice and in there. Hear snap or click. This one's in there, and we're gonna go ahead and put that back in. Now there's a little circle on the clamp you should be able to find. Goes right back into the shaft. And you just heard that click in there, that was that circle going in the shaft. Sorry guys, it's really humid out here, it's been raining. And then go ahead and use your flathead to turn those back in. Now that's in place, we're just going to keep tapping and tightening. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and put that turn signal harness back in. Hear that click. Now there's some harnesses that are going to have places to go. Make sure those are in there. Lift this up. There we go. Make sure everything goes back together. Those. Got a replacement. That part's done. Now time to connect the battery terminal. It's all good. Thanks for watching.